Good morning. I went to bed around 2 a.m. yesterday and I'm kind of tired because I woke up around 9 a.m. and now I'm gonna do 120 sun salutations because it's like a great thing like to start the year with energy, with stamina, and like putting goals in your life and doing them, you know what I mean? So this is something to remember that I'm capable of. I'm kind of tired of thinking that I will have to do 120, but let's go. I've already done it when I was doing my yoga teacher training in Thailand. The last day we did it and it was very intense. So yeah, I'm not gonna eat anything before because I prefer to like practice yoga without like with my empty stomach, but I'm drinking just like some water, like warm water and chimarrão.
E na respiração.
I came to the beach with my dad and he just went home now. And I might have a friend coming over, Maite. I think she's coming like in a few minutes, so I'm gonna wait for her here. And I just wanna tan today because like today is the first day there's like full sun because every day is like with a lot of clouds and I cannot really tan and I'm using fake tan. But yeah, I just want to have like a real tan for once, you know, because next week I'm traveling to the north of Brazil with my friends and my sister, so I want to be tan when I go there, you know what I mean? I just feel like the outfits when you're not tan, like the summer outfits when you're not tan, they're not giving. Wait, look at this dog. Good morning everyone. So I forgot to update you, but yesterday I was at the beach and I met a friend there, Maite. She's Brazilian, she's from São Paulo, but she lives in Berlin. We met in Copenhagen this year and she is always spending summer in the same city as I am, in Campeche here in Florianopolis. So we met there, we were talking like for hours and then it started to rain, but like crazy, okay? And we were like in a deep conversation and I didn't film, I forgot to film, and then it started to rain like so much, literally like the rain was hurting my face, it was so strong. And then I came back home and I also got burnt, my first burn of the year. Now it's a beautiful day and we're gonna go to a beach and I'm gonna surf.
Já me cambiaré en el coche.
Obrigada. Obrigada.
Vamos ver, rapaziada. E até os cachorros também, né?
Nossa.
O sol é terrível.
Muito boa.
Boa, né?
Nossa.
Maravilhosa. A de queijo também é muito boa.
Only in Brazil you go to the supermarket in bikini and it's completely normal. ¿Has surfado mucho?
Me he quemado un poco, he tenido que abandonar por culpa del calor, ¿sabes? Pero bueno, la próxima vez será.
Tú coges Mavericks, ¿no?
No, Mavericks, el problema es la onda de norte-nordeste,
Ah,
¿sabes? O sea, con una velocidad de 6 nudos es difícil la estabilidad.
sí, es verdad. Vamos a comer mañana ya.
Vale.
Está bien.
Ok.
Sí.
Vale.
¿De qué parte de España eres?
De Valencia.
Oh, estuve en Valencia.
Doing some video editing at home and my parents are preparing lunch and like my dad is doing like a churrasco. But I am so hungry. It's 5:30 and I haven't eaten. Well, I ate the pamonha, but I haven't eaten like nothing else. I'm so hungry.
Ótimo.
Starting with some
Tá.
salad.
Obrigada. Ó, mãe.
Isso é um porquinho orgânico? Esse é o primeiro dia que não chove. Muita fome, pega só um pratinho, Angelisa.
É novinho,
Ele tá querendo até dar pra gente?
Não,
ele...
dá.
É?
Não vou vender não.
Daí também a gente... É.
Quer uma
Nossa,
coisinha?
muito... Não, não precisa mais nada.
É novinho.
Obrigada, gente.
Nada. É novinho demais.
Depois de comer um churrasco
Mas depois do churrasco
com aipim, ela ainda quer milho.
Eu não vou querer.
My aunt wanted to eat corn and she stopped these guys to eat corn. And then they were like, oh no, we do it for free. Like, we do it for free. So we had corn for free. Tô indo. I got the castanha de caju ice cream, and this one is like cacao, like 100% cacao. It's this place called Mu. It's so good. Well, I love cupuaçu.
Very good this taste here. This flavor.
Nossa! Devia ter pego cupuaçu.
Bom.
Good morning, everyone. So it's Saturday morning. We woke up at 5:30 and we came to do this trail that is like my favorite here in Florianópolis. It's the Lagoinha do Leste, and like you walk for like 1 hour and then you arrive at a beautiful beach. I'm doing it with my parents. Oh my god, this is muito resbaladinho. Guys, I've given up on my Havaianas. Just arrived and I'm eating now a pamonha. Wow, we walked for like 1 hour 20. 1 hora y 20? 15. 1 hour 15. Really. So happy here. There's a little bar here. Then the beautiful sea. I got this pão de queijo with queijo from Minas Gerais. And we were just saying now that Minas Gerais, I've never been there. Mãe, eu já estive lá, não?
Yes, but in car.
Yeah, we were going from the south of Brazil to the north with the car and then we went around Minas Gerais. But I don't really remember. I was like
You've never been in
10
Belo
years old.
Horizonte or
Yeah.
Ouro Preto.
Ouro Preto. I really want to go. Oh my god. Yes, I know you want my pão de queijo. But yeah, let's try this. Oh! Meu Deus!
Bom, tipo o do...
Mano!
Do
Ah, me dá uma...
Williams and Son.
A avó tá fazendo pastel. Homemade pastel by my grandma. Né, vó? E caipirinha.
E caipirinha tá aqui, ó, na roda.
Who is winning?
Por ahora es...
Joe.
We're preparing pastel for tonight. It's like a Brazilian. It's not a snack. It's a like we're gonna eat for dinner. We usually eat like with soup or we eat at the feiras, like at the markets, like Sunday market. We always have pastel. Oh my god!
Mas eu não tô nada.
Da rainha.
Wow.
Legal.
A rainha dos pastéis. A rainha dos pastéis.
Ella dice, ah, pues sí, ¿qué quieres a veces?
I have no idea how my bangs look. I think they look horrible. But yeah, I'm at the beach. We came to Praia Mole with my dad here. And I usually love this beach because like the sea is very strong and you can like jump the waves. But today is like another level of strong. Like when we arrived at the beach in the beginning, there was no sand. Like the sea ate all the space for the sand. And now we came to this place, there's like just a little bit of like dry sand. I'm doing a little trail here to go to the Praia da Galheta. And it's like a nudist beach. But I'm just going there to like see a little bit because it's just so beautiful. And the path actually is beautiful. It's like 20 minutes from Praia Mole. Vlog, daí eu passo direto pro computador. Yummy!
Hi. This looks yum, but
Yes.
next time I gotta like step up my.
I was just with my friend Maite, her sister Mayra, and they're friends that came from Germany to Florianopolis, and it was so nice. We went to the beach and then we had an açaí over here in Campeche. I love like gringos that come to Brazil and love Brazil. I love that. And I just went to this store called the 4 AM Culture here in Campeche, and it's like a sportswear store, like super nice. And I bought a little sport set. Bom dia, bom dia, bom dia.
Oi, bon dia, bon dia, bon dia. Je suis Rui Mara, le maire de Carlota.
La mer.
La maire de Carlota. Nous sommes à Jourerê International, qui est une plage sud de Florianopolis.
No, no, no. Oh, no.
Ah oui, au nord de Florianopolis.
Yeah, we came here yesterday night to stay with my friends because tomorrow I'm traveling to Bahia and I'm gonna do my second vlog in Brazil, in Bahia. So we're
that's it.
sleeping at our friend's place that live here in the north of the island. Como é que é isso? Ah, é? Oh. Wow. I just gave a yoga class and we're doing like a breathwork session with Tati, with my friend's mom. And now I'm preparing matcha for me and for my mom.
Olha só.
DJ que toca em alguns.
Ele é gaúcho de Teutônia.
Não.
Mora ali na.
Inspiração nos tempos, Ouve. Dá.
Mas nós não jogamos.
Tu não tem cara de predador.
Predador é bom. Agressor, poderia ser.
Agressor.
Ela não solta. Pode fazer o que a gente fez antes. Se chutar, isso. Segura e chuta. Solta, relaxa. Segura e chuta. Isso. Segura e chuta.
Preparação para essa chácara, alimentação saudável, meditação, abstinência sexual, tudo que a gente já vai fazendo.
Ah, vem fazendo? Você
Claro.
Ah, não combinava comigo. Tudo bem. Eu realmente não é muito a minha onda, mas fiquem à vontade, Manauara. Vocês.
We had a little yoga class this morning and then I went for a run at the beach and I got ready and did all my suitcases because I'm going on a trip right now with my friends and with my sister and I'm in the airport, so I'm gonna say goodbye for this vlog and I see you in the next vlog in this destination where I'm gonna be around Brazil and it's gonna be so fun. I'm so excited to go there. So yeah, beijo, see you in my next vlog. Thanks so much for watching.